As a business owner and as a father, I can tell you there's no product I trust more than the Spark Nano to keep me up to date on the location of my vehicles in real time. Whether I'm tracking a shipment, monitoring the movement of a corporate vehicle, or ensuring the safety of my family, I know that I'm always up to date. This covert GPS tracker can be hidden under the car with a magnetic case, and it comes with a long-lasting 140-day battery pack. Tapping into a 4G network, the Spark Nano tracker has full coverage across North America, including the United States, Canada, and Mexico. The tracker is reliable and easy to install. Just place the tracker in the magnetic case, connect it to the battery pack, and attach it underneath the car. Through the app, you can monitor the movement of your vehicle from your phone, tablet, or computer. Here you can utilize a multitude of tools at your disposal for tracking, monitoring, and reporting the location of your vehicle. Updates are provided every 60 seconds via text or email for remote monitoring. You can also access live monitoring on your laptop or desktop in real time. Through the app, you can set up geofences so you can get alerted anytime the vehicle enters or exits a defined zone. You can also set up speed limits so you're notified anytime the vehicle exceeds the speed set by you. Be it for my fleet of work vehicles or ensuring the safety of my family, the Spark Nano GPS vehicle tracker gives me a real peace of mind knowing my assets and my loved ones are safe.